Hurricanes and cyclones are among the most powerful storms on Earth. These swirling masses of clouds and wind bring torrential rain and destructive winds. They can devastate coastlines and leave a trail of destruction. Hurricanes are called cyclones in the Indian Ocean. Typhoons form in the Northwest Pacific. No matter the name, these storms are a force of nature. They are categorized by wind speed. The Saffir-Simpson scale ranks them from Category 1 to 5. Category 5 hurricanes have winds over 157 miles per hour. At these speeds, even sturdy buildings can be ripped apart. Hurricanes and cyclones form over warm ocean waters near the equator. The sea surface temperature needs to be at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 26.5 degrees Celsius to fuel these storms. Warm, moist air rises from the ocean's surface. This creates an area of low pressure below. As the warm air rises, it cools and condenses. This forms clouds and releases more heat. This cycle of rising warm air and condensing cool air creates a powerful thunderstorm. The rotating Earth and the Coriolis effect cause the thunderstorm to spin. If conditions are right, this spinning storm can intensify and develop into a hurricane or cyclone. Low wind shear is crucial for hurricane development. Wind shear is the change in wind speed or direction with height. Low wind shear allows the storm to develop vertically and organize its circulation. High wind shear can disrupt the storm's structure and weaken it. Tracking hurricanes and cyclones is essential for predicting their path and intensity. Meteorologists use a variety of tools to monitor these storms. Satellites provide real-time images of the storm's size, shape, and location. Radar systems detect precipitation and wind patterns within the storm, giving us a closer look at its structure. Aircraft, such as hurricane hunters, fly directly into the storm to gather data. They measure wind speed, pressure, and temperature. They also deploy drop sonders, which are instruments that collect data as they fall through the storm. Buoys and ships stationed in the ocean collect data on sea surface temperatures, wave heights, and atmospheric conditions. All of this data is fed into sophisticated computer models. These models help meteorologists predict the storm's path, intensity, and potential impact. Early warning systems use this information to alert coastal communities and give them time to prepare. Section 4. When Fury Strikes. History is filled with examples of the devastating power of hurricanes and cyclones. In 1979, Typhoon Tip formed in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. It became the largest and most intense tropical cyclone ever recorded. Hurricane Patricia in 2015 holds the record for the highest wind speeds. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina devastated the Gulf Coast of the United States. Cyclone Bola in 1970 remains the deadliest tropical cyclone on record. Section 5. Respecting nature's power. Hurricanes and cyclones are a stark reminder of the immense power of nature. These storms can unleash incredible fury, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. Understanding how these storms form and how we track them is crucial for mitigating their impact. Advancements in forecasting and early warning systems have saved countless lives. However, it's important to remember that these storms are unpredictable. We must remain vigilant, heed the warnings of authorities, and be prepared to take action when a hurricane or cyclone threatens. Respecting the power of nature and taking appropriate precautions is the key to minimizing the devastation these storms can inflict.